Hello, welcome to the third and last day of InterGeo 2015 here in Stuttgart, Germany. We have seen many technological demonstrations here at the show. In the 2 days exhibition we had the chance to see the latest technology in UAVs and mobile mapping. The show also has the latest developments on surveying and mapping. Civil engineering and heavy construction technologies have been demonstrated by top surveying companies.
This year we look back to a very strong InterGeo in Stuttgart. We have more than 550 exhibitors from all over the world. For the very first time, 50% from international, and this is one of the strongest trends we can mention, that the InterGeo is more and more an international trade show, not only for Europe. We have attendees from all over the world. One very strong trend is the UAV. We have the largest UAV presentation in the Central Europe area, and I think for the next 3 or 4 years this will be a growing part. Another topic which is very deeply rooted in the exhibition is the topic of young professionals, of career. The whole branch is looking for fresh blood. We need engineers, and so almost every exhibitor is looking for people, and this is very strong in this InterGeo. We have 2 new topics which will be placed in Hamburg next year as well. This is the topic of smart cities and the topic of BIM, Building Information Modeling, which is in Germany and Central Europe at the very beginning of the development, and we will see that for the next years it will change a lot in this geospatial market. Yes, we have always some startups. They come to InterGeo to show their ideas, and they are looking for cooperation with other exhibitors as well. And it's a very good chance for them to enter the branch and to get national and international contact. And for this reason we see that especially young companies are present at InterGeo.
Hello, my name is Jörg Arment. I am the Advanced Solutions Manager for Europe. So we are concentrating basically on the way geospatial professionals work today and in the future, showing all kind of data collection sensors, if it's a UAV like this one, if it's a mobile mapping system or any kind of sensor, also the processing software and also the end result. So we try to influence how people work and how we can really show and make a better benefit of our customers for their complete workflow. So the key showcasing features we show this year is our new copter solution. This is the Trimble ZX5. It is the Trimble R2 receiver, which is a multi-constellation unit for different kind of applications. It's new software packages, processing this data, and it's new ways how to do things. Some key markets we have is the traditional German survey market like Cadastre. It's also other solutions like utilities, land communication, communities, where we want to show our solutions to.
Yes, the buttons over here are just for switching the robot now back on. So now it's driving completely autonomous to the next scan point. And what you can also see is the obstacle avoidance, so it's also driving through all the people without any collisions or problems. So we would have here now a typical scan point where we take a 3D scan and then we continue our movement. And you see the robot is really very reactive and safe. So if I'm stepping in front of it, it's not driving into me, but it always tries to find the best way around the obstacle in this case.
From our ground coverage in Paris, we bring you the distribution of 12th Annual Awards for Excellence in Satellite Communication by Euroconsult. The leading global consulting firm Euroconsult specializes in space market. It announced recipients of its 12th Annual Award on the occasion of World Satellite Business Week. The Global Satellite Operator of the Year award went to SES. The Strategic Transaction of the Year award was backed by EMC. RSCC was the winner of the Regional FSS Operator of the Year, and the award for Newcomer Satellite Operator of the Year was picked up by ARSat. Winners were chosen by a panel of industry experts from Euroconsult, Space News and Satellite Finance, who assessed the candidates using a rigorous qualitative and quantitative criteria.
The 7th Summit on Earth Observation Business concluded in Paris on Friday after 2 days of frenzy. The event was a part of Euroconsult's World Satellite Business Week. It brought together top-level executives and senior government officials of the Earth observation and geoinformation communities. Over 200 presidents, CEOs, CFOs, and senior government officials congregated to review business models, assess customer requirements, network, and refine developmental strategies. Experts noted that supply and demand of Earth observation continues to evolve. Heavy-duty EO industry stalwarts such as Digital Globe CEO Jeffrey Tarr, Airbus Defence and Space Senior Vice President Bernard Brenner, MDA Geospatial Services General Manager David Belton, eGeo's CEO Marcelo Marinesi, and EmitSat CEO Noam Siegel deliberated on strategies on how to maintain business growth in a market that is seeing increased competition from several new entrants. There was a lot of discussion around the evolution of small satellite market and disruptive technologies like big data, 3D modeling, and the likes are creating a niche market. Amid all this, it remains to be seen how EO operators adapt to a competitive market. GeoViz's sister publication, Geospatial World, was the official media partner of the event.
The Trade Association of Private Sector Geospatial Firms, MAPS, will have its Fall Policy Conference at Drone World Expo this November at the San Jose Convention Center in California. Speakers include Brian Baker from Leica Geosystems, Jeff Loven from Woolpert, Andy Nickerson from Arrowell, Mike Tully from Aerial Services, and David Ewell from American Aerospace. Those who want to register can do that for $95 before October 1, $195 after October 1, and $295 at the event.